So this is going to be today's video review for Tuesday, January the 19th, 2016 for Drum Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today in the S&P March 2016 futures, we looked at three trades. Two of them were winners and one of them I'm calling a break even. Let's have a look at them. There's a couple of trades that I'm not even including because it's what I call a weak dot push. And that takes a little bit of getting an understanding of. But essentially, this dot here is below the solid white midline if you're just joining us with some strength. So we wait for price to pop up into this block area to push down into a valley of support under a weak dot condition. Excuse me, this is the weak dot here. The red dot is above this solid white midline. So we're looking at buying it in this lower yellow area here. That's drawn here on the right chart. With a stop 2 ticks below the low here on the green brick, we would get long and see if we can get up at least into this upper pink energy band, if not the left chart's upper pink energy band. But you can see that when price gets up here, it does a excuse me, a V reversal back down. So small winner on that one. And you'll notice the dot in between the pullback was weak going up and was extremely weak going back up here into this upper yellow crest area. So some people do take those are called weak dots, and they trade locate into this upper yellow here, but I'm not including that one. Then we had a strong dot down here, weak dot here, valley of support buy. This is about 835, so we had an opportunity here on the green brick to get long with a stop 2 ticks below the lower energy band, the lower green energy band, with a target of at least getting into this upper pink, if not the left chart's upper pink or upper mid area, which would have been this white dotted line here. But you can see price topped out there, so that's a small winner as well. I'm not counting these weak dots here. You can see we had weak dots even up through into here, into this area here going up, weak dots here, and same weak dots. This is called a weak dot sell, and that was an opportunity for someone, but I'm not including that one. And we're not including this either. This is a strong dot, and this is a weak dot here below the solid white midline, but it didn't turn up. In other words, it didn't turn blue, and at least it wasn't even a higher purple dot, so it wasn't really a opportunity to sell that based on the weak dot push. But nonetheless, quite often we'll have a lot of our traders taking advantage of that. We call that a sag. We call that when the dot just rolls back below and doesn't turn up like that. But nonetheless, it's a good setup, but it's not included here. And there's see here at 1010. I'm not including this because the bottoms of the bricks punctured below the lower yellow here, which doesn't tell us the lower yellow is up. So it's not part of our follow the yellow brick road trade plan. So that didn't exist for us. And then we had an opportunity where strong dots here, weak dots for a sell with the crest. A little bit of theory might have kept you out of that one, but essentially if you got short in through here, got down to the lower green, not down to the lower green on the left chart. So I'm just calling that a break-even trade there. If you're interested to learn further, you can send us an email at jb@drumenergybands.com. Thank you for your interest.